Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is just another show and tell video. I've gotten into making these little mini albums, and I'll leave a link to the channel that inspired me to make these albums, and it's Scrap the World, and I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box below. But they're super easy, and you can make some really super cute mini albums. And so I just wanted to show you guys this one. This is the latest one. I've made 3 since I first watched her video, and I just wanted to show you guys this one. My daughter just turned 21, and she has a best friend who will be moving away pretty soon, and she wanted me to make her a mini album for her birthday so that she can keep all her most recent photos with her best friend in. And so that's what I did, and she picked out this paper. This is actually her 12 by 12 paper pack. She bought it from Michael's, and she wanted me to use this paper for her mini album, so I wanted to show you guys that. So anyway, the paper is Kawaii Dream, and just really fun, colorful, but they're like pastel colors, but really colorful. I'll flip through and show you guys some of the papers here. Got this really cute, just really cute. That one says cute. This one has, like, you can use cut aparts, which I did use one for the front of this album, but she really likes this paper. She just turned 21, and it's still colorful, girly girl makeup, and she liked this paper, and so this is what I made her mini album using these papers. It's really cute and fun. And this one is, like I said, Kawaii Dreams, and it's Recollections. And it's one of the paper packs that they have on the Hot Buy shelf. And they usually put them on sale really cheap, like $7 for these 12 by 12 paper pads. So this is the paper, and here is that mini album. The front I embellished with a chipboard stickers that I showed you guys in a recent Tuesday morning haul. It says hello in the words lovely. She loves bumblebees, and so I found these little bumblebee gemstones at Hobby Lobby, and they are by the Paper Studio, and they were on sale for 50% off. So I added a couple of those. I added chipboard numbers 21 and some of those Recollections flowers that I showed you guys in my haul. On the spine, I did add some thickers with her initials. I punched a hole here for a charm, and this charm actually came from a Recollections set that I got from Michael's a long time ago. I had it in my stash, and this little brad that says memories, I've had this in my stash for a long time, and this was perfect to add right there on the spine of her book. I added some lace trim from Hobby Lobby, and so that is the decor. I did a closure like this where I put some lace, and I used some Velcro, and these Velcro little fasteners, the Velcro fasteners, I got these from Dollar Tree. So I stocked up on these because I've enjoyed making these little mini albums, and these are only $1 at Dollar Tree. Before I bought a pack from Joann's, and I think I paid $3, but this, you get 20 pairs of the little Velcro fasteners. They're sticky on the back side. They're only $1 at Dollar Tree. And I added on some of the pages, I added some of these little cute little bow ties embellishments, and these were Heidi Swap, and I showed you guys these from a Tuesday morning haul, so I used some of those on the inside of the book. And these were only $1.49. Yeah. And I used several bows from this set right here. But just really cute and girly. On the inside, I used my Spellbinders die, and I'll leave the information in the description box below, the name of this die. I really love this pocket die. Again, this is, I got this idea from Scrap the World. So I ordered this little die to make the pocket for the inside. She can also slide pictures right in here. But this is the first page right here. And there's that little bow I added there. And she said that this was her favorite page in the whole paper pack. Has a little fish and a little shrimp. She doesn't eat... She doesn't eat meat. She eats fish. She eats seafood, but she won't eat meat, my daughter. So she really loved this. It has sushi, and yeah, so she really loved that paper. And so this page right here, you turn it over and there's a flap. That could be a picture mat. Right up here, she can add small pictures or notes about the pictures. Here's a picture mat right here, and then right here a picture mat slides up out of that page, and she can use the front and the back side of this. And to make these tabs, I just use my 1.5 inch circle punch, punched 2 circles, and I glued them on to this mat right here to make a pull tab. And this just slides right back down in to that page. So this is what they look like. Just really pretty and fun. And I just added the bow at the bottom of the pages, different bows, and then a pocket here as well, and she can add pictures here. So yeah, that's my latest little mini album. I'm not sure if you guys would be interested in watching me do one of these. I'm very new at these mini albums, but like I said, I'll leave a link to the channel where I learned to do this mini album, because she's very good at the tutorials, and I caught on really fast, and that's what I would suggest for you guys. But I just wanted to show y'all, just really fun and cute if you have some daughters or little granddaughters, or just for a gift. This would be a cute gift to give. So I'm going to be giving some more age appropriate books to some of the mothers in my family for Mother's Day. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the link below to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing a coloring video up next. Bye.